Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to our Fab Live. Welcome to our episode 2. And in this episode we will gonna be talking about how to operate this machine, our laser cutting machine. And I'm gonna be giving you a step-by-step process to operate this machine. Alright. Then let's go.
This is our laser machine. First step is to power on the machine. To do that, first you need to plug in the EVR. Switch on the AVR and then switch on the laser machine.
This part here is the control pad.
These arrows allow us to move the nozzle around the laser's working area. By pressing this button, we can set the origin of our nozzle.
Setting the nozzle's origin allows us to know what part of the working area we are cutting our design. Lightburn is a proprietary software, but in this video,
We will going to use a trial version of this software.
to import the file, click File, and then click Import. Look for your DXF file to import. In this video, I have prepared the Millennium Falcon design, a 2D design, which is a DXF file. After importing the design, select your design and click Move Select To and click Move to lower right. Zoom in to see the details of your design. Each color represents a part of your design. It depends on which part you want to be cut or which part you want to be engraved. In our case, we will set the blue and red part to be etched, and we want to cut the black area. Make sure to set the black as the last priority because we have assigned it for cutting, or else it will ruin everything when the machine cut the material. For the blue and red, we will set the power to 20 and set the speed
To 60. This is the ideal setting for etching.
For the black portion, we will set the speed to 10 and we will set the power to the maximum. This is the ideal setting for cutting. Next is to click the upper right job origin because the orientation in the light burn is vertically and horizontally flipped compared to the workspace in the laser cutting machine. If you're done setting up, we are now ready to start cutting our material by clicking the button Start. Before we actually begin, by clicking the frame button on the machine, we can see how much of the material we are gonna be using for our design. Now that we are ready, let's turn everything up, let's hit the laser, and let's start cutting.
Hello guys,